Maria Skłodowska-Curie, a Polish physicist and chemist, was renowned for her research on radioactivity. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, one in physics and the other in chemistry. She discovered 2 radioactive elements, polonium and radium, and developed a theory of radioactivity. Her work on radioactivity also led to new cancer treatments. However, her constant exposure to radiation in her laboratory, where she had no protection, ultimately led to her death. Skłodowska-Curie and her colleagues, including her husband Pierre Curie, suffered from health issues due to radiation exposure. She was diagnosed with pernicious anemia, a condition caused by excessive radiation, and passed away in 1934. Her pioneering work in radioactivity made her a celebrated figure in science, despite the risks it posed to her health.